This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
I have the basic question because we are using the HTML, CSS very heavily. Again, I want to just start with the basics to make sure we are good to set up the expectation with the interview. So what is HTML and what is the extension we use for HTML files?
Okay, thank you. And HTML basically stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it is the standard markup language we used for creating web pages and defining their structure and content. HTML basically uses a system of markup tags in HTML to structure the element on a web page, like such as headings, paragraph, links, images, and forms. The extension commonly used for HTML is .html. And if I simplify with an example, like HTML is like a bricks of a house, which basically forming the basic structure. That's it.
Okay, thank you. So in the technical interview, we do not give any interviewer any type of like the human type of example, like the structure. So it is basically the structure of the web application. So anything we build on the website, the HTML build the structure. And I know you may ask me CSS. CSS actually design the whole structure.
Designing the whole structure.